Hey guys, some of you might not know about my Mother's Month special. For the month of May, I am giving away my retiring product. If you place an order of $35 or more using this host code right here, then you get something free in the mail from me through May 31st or while supplies last. So I thought I would show you what is left because there's a lot. I'm giving stamp sets and bundles away if you are interested in any of these. I can't guarantee you'll get what you see here based on if something's gone or not. I did have somebody contact me about the bubble over stamp set, and I told them I didn't have it anymore because I thought it was gone, but I do. So, and this has a die set that goes with it. So if you're that person, let me know. But here's some of the stamp sets I've got left. Botanical Prints, Lily Pad Lake, Best Catch, Ride With Me, and of course, if there's dies that coordinate, you get those too. So these are just some of what I have. There's some really great older stuff down here below. Like the little chickens, they're so cute. Cup of Christmas. There's some fun stuff. What else do we have? Trick or Treat, Blended Seasons, Easter. Here's some more. And then I have stuff that's non-Stampin' Up. I've got big stacks of paper, punches, old dies. I've got 2 old Stampin' trimmers and a bunch of replacement blades. So if you wanted one of these with an order of 35 or more, I would happily ship you one of those. I've got a bunch of embossing powders, more designer series papers. There's a bunch of the framelits and dies that go with these stamp sets. Ribbon. So if you're something you see in here that catches your eye, or if you are like, I wonder if she has XYZ, feel free to email me and I'll let you know if I have it or not. And if you place a $35 order or more using, again, this host code, which will be linked below the video, and you can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com, then you can get one of these free goodies. See ya!